everyone, I'm Steve from Martell Training Group. Welcome to our channel. We are all about safety, security, and survival education. You're going to see a lot of videos on various topics such as how to stay safe at home, at work, at school, in your car, around firearms, and especially online. This is important to keep kids safe while they're online, whether it be on a computer or their smartphones. I know there will probably be multiple videos on internet safety. As far as firearms, I will talk about general firearm safety. If you've never owned a firearm before and you're thinking about getting one either for target practice or for home protection or both, I'll offer some suggestions and some advice. I am a retired New Jersey State Trooper and former paramedic. During my 25-year career in the state police, I had many assignments. About half my career was as a detective working cyber crimes and internet crimes against children. I'm also a commercial helicopter pilot, private airplane pilot, and a remote or drone pilot. During my career in the state police, I was assigned to the Aviation Bureau for a number of years. I flew medevac missions primarily, but I also flew other police missions such as search and rescue, aerial photography of crime scenes, and that sort of thing. My last assignment in the state police prior to retirement was the unit head or supervisor of the Firearms Investigation Unit. That handles all things related to firearms in the state police. Licensing of dealers and manufacturers in the state, permits to purchase, permits to carry, registration of firearms, and any kind of firearms related crimes. I'd like to share some of what I've learned over the years so that some may benefit and stay safer. Martell Training Group is all about safety, security, and survival education. So to be safe, hit that subscribe button now. Comments as far as interests or questions or suggestions for topics are welcome. I'll try to get back to any questions in a timely manner. When you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll be notified when we release new videos. Thanks for watching, take care, and stay safe.